So on TikTok, I saw a really cool tutorial for sewing your braids together and makes a big braid that just looks amazing. So I am going to show you how that was done. Basically, you need two braids, but instead of just dividing in two, we're going to separate out a little section from the center and hold that aside. Woo! Okay, section from the center. And put this up and out of the way. Then I'm going to braid these two sides in just a regular 3-strand English braid. Okay, now I'm going to take this section and use it like thread to sew these two braids together. And you could use like a topsy-tail device as a sewing needle on your hair, but I found that just using your fingers is absolutely fine. So we're going to take this first braid on the left, find a section near the top. There's the little loop. I'm going to stick my fingers through, pull this front to back. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side, find a loop that's about the same height, put my fingers in it, and this one I'm doing back to front. And let's see, trying to go by feel, find the next loop, front to back, find the next loop, back to front. And just keep on doing that. Alright, try to take it over my shoulder and not ruin it. Okay. What? Hopefully I'm still going the same way here. It starts to feel kind of natural for where your hair is when it's out on the front. Then the next one you'll do will be taking it to the back. If it's already on the back, then the next one you'll do will be taking it to the front. This is eating up the length pretty quickly. So, looks like it's not going to make it all the way to the end. I think one of the important keys is to make sure that the two braids stay flat and going the same direction the whole way. So taking it over my shoulder is a little bit dangerous because I might have flipped it. Tried not to, so hopefully I didn't, but that is a potential risk. Okay, stop there. Okay, so my section did end a little bit before my braids ended, so it does eat up the length faster. And I'm just going to put one of my Pro hair ties on. And let's see how it looks. So I think that is pretty cool looking. It looks like a really kind of fancy multi-strand braid, but all you have to do is sew 2 braids together. And then this does eat up length a lot, but you could still probably do some kind of a bun with it, or almost a cornet. So yeah, that is how you can do a fancy sewn together braid.